you're very familiar with this, no? Pag pinag-usapan po yung budget process in particular, malabo naman yatang magkaroon ng katutak na insertions na hindi alam ng APRO committee, number one. And number two, hindi alam ng speaker. So sa ngayon, tahimik pareho yan. Speaker Martin at saka si Zaldico. Di ba medyo nakabibingi yata yung katahimikan ng dalawa, given all these issues when it comes to humongous insertions?
I think yung po nga nagsasalita ho on the matter should be, of course, the current appropriations chair. No? So I think meron mga clarifications po na ginagawa na po yung po nga appropriations chair. I'm not quite certain how detailed it is. No? So I think yung po yung kanya pong trabaho to date. No? And I don't think the speaker has spoken on the matter as well.
Inga, precisely. Bakit hindi siya nagsasalita? Pwede bang hindi niya alam yan?
I don't know. I think I cannot speak for the speaker. No? So I can only speak for my committee, Christian.
I'm thinking out loud, Attorney Terry, Congressman Terry, kasi inisip ko ganito, no? Pwede ba namang ako yung speaker? Ang daming insertions, hindi ko alam. Dalawa lang yan, di ba? Pwedeng ayoko umamin o tanga lang ako. I don't think tanga naman yung speaker, hindi po ba?
Well, you have so many line items, hindi ba? I'm quite certain na yung pong talagang nakakaalam ng particular na mga detalye po na ito, firstly would be the DBM, di ba? Pangalawa, yung pong APRO committee. Kasi yan yung talagang trabaho nila di ba? At syempre sa pagdating sa Senado, yung Senate Finance Committee and the Senate Finance Committee Chair. No? So I think sila po yung proper persons to actually be asked on particular details of these line items.
Okay. Dito sa 'di ba, yung motion ni Congressman Chel Diok, no, that was carried, no. So may mga nagsabit na po ba na mga miyembro ng komite at dineclare kung meron silang conflict of interest, yung financial, business, or pecuniary interest?
Well, meron pa kaming mga inaantay, no? So, wala pa kami masyadong update no, kung ilan na ho yung mga nag-submit, pero may mga publicly nagpakita na ho ng mga dokumento, like si Congressman Tino na Act Teachers Party List. Ano siya? Nagsalita na ho siya. Nagpakita na siya ng dokumento po na hindi siya conflicted and therefore can participate in the proceedings.
Paano yung mga conflicted? Paano ba mapapaamin yun?
They have to sign. They have to sign the document, no? And submit it to the committee. Kasi if they don't sign the document, hindi ko sila makakapag-participate. Kasi yung po yung requirement, a written disclosure that you are not conflicted on any matter that will be discussed in the inquiry.
So, pro forma document yun that they have to sign. Tapos, kung meron silang business, financial, or pecuniary interest, they have to declare it. Ganun ba? Pag hindi nila ginawa, they can't participate.
No, they will. There are two forms. First, that you are not conflicted, so therefore you can participate. Tapos yung second, that you have a conflict of interest, and therefore you will not participate.
Pero first question, sino bang aamin na meron silang conflict of interest?
I mean, siguro kailangan mo maging matapat hindi ba? Kumbaga,
ito number 2.
Hindi siya, ang hirap ng lang suspicion lang talaga on, the motivation.
Hindi siya rhetorical question. Ito yung point ka, sir.
Parang, we are going on on a series of suspicions on the motivations of everyone else.
Hindi siya suspicion, hindi siya paghinala lang kung. Kasi ang punto natin dito, may mga kasama kayo, contractor mismo, yung mga dating contractor. Tapos naging bahagi sa budget process, di ba?
Tama naman, pero ibig ko sabihin lang, nagsinungaling sila dun sa disclosure, di ba?
Oo nga, kung nagsinungaling, anong gagawin ng committee po? Kung nagsinungaling.
They will be confronted. Kasi sinabi naman nun, I think kasama din dun sa disclosure is, in the event that merong conflict of interest situation, now in the course of the inquiry. Kumbaga, it doesn't exist today, but it might exist in the future. Pwede kasi ganun, di ba? So, the committee will actually ask the House member to recuse and inhibit himself.
Okay, kasi example, I was thinking, ano bang definition ng conflict of interest dyan? Pag meron ba silang connection doon sa proyektong pinag-uusapan, o dati sila naging contractor, o meron silang kamag-anak na contractor, give us a sense kung ano ba yung tinitingnan yung conflict of interest dyan.
Hindi, halimbawa, kung may contractor A, di ba? O kung yung contractor A na pinag-usapan natin itong flood control issue na ito, merong anomalya dyan, ikaw ay dating presidente dyan, or ikaw ay dating founder dyan, parang conflict of interest situation yun. Dapat ka nang mag-recuse.
Okay, kung ang pinag-usapan naman yung insertion, dati siyang BICAM member, would that be considered as a conflict of interest?
Hindi siya kasi pecuniary interest di ba? Yung BICAM member. So, parang mahirap siya na ipasok dun sa financial pecuniary interest, and therefore you should not participate.